This is actually one of my favourite tricks or tips for Outlook, and a great reason to actually use Outlook on the desktop. Because how often do you get an email and you think, we need to have a meeting, or it is a meeting request, but it's just an email, it's not actually a proper meeting request? Let me show you how you can create a new appointment from your email in less than 60 seconds. Hi, I'm Michelle, your computer trainer, here to help you work quickly and easily with your everyday programs. So here we are. I've got an email from my new friend Susie, and what I want to do is to create an appointment, put some details in that we're gonna meet up. All I need to do is click and drag my email. So there, I've clicked it and I'm dragging, and I'm taking it down to the icons at the bottom, and of course the second one in. If you haven't moved them, I'll put an iCard in so that you can see how to do that, and I'm just going to drop it over the calendar icon. It creates a brand new appointment. It makes the subject of my email the title of my appointment. It doesn't change the date and time, so I do need to fix that, but there's the email with all the details in, and all I need to do is say, actually that is going to be, let's say, tomorrow, Monday, and she's in America, so let me change that to 5 o'clock because that'll be better for her, and just click save and close. I've got a new appointment, and if I jump into my calendar, you can see if I go to this coming week and switch the other calendar back on again, there we go. You can see as I scroll down, there it is in the screen. Really quick and easy, and not only can I click and drag to create a new appointment, but I can click and drag into the other sections as well. So it's a really useful way to not only create appointments, but contacts, tasks, and any of the other sections that you've got. If you like this tip, please do give this video a thumbs up. It really does help with my channel stats. And remember to click the little bell to subscribe to the channel to be notified when I've got new videos. That's all for now.